Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is day one of the Dollar General clearance event, and I did find about 50 pennies, and I was able to do a couple of my deals, and kind of pressed for time today, so I couldn't do the usual shopping tour that I do for hours on end. And we do have one little snafu with the Febreze vanilla, and we'll talk about that. What is the Dollar General clearance event? It's an additional 50% off of a lot of the clearance items and items that are listed like summer barbecue, summer food, that good stuff. If you want to stock up on items like that, I would definitely investigate and check it out. Tomorrow, if you want to pair it with the 5 off 25 or the 10 off 40, you can also do that as well. But you got to make your mark of $25 or $40 before digital coupons to get it. And sometimes with clearance, it's hard to figure out that math, but bring a pad of paper and a calculator and make it so. A couple months back, all this dollar spot food pennied out, and I filled up a cart, and I was kind of worried, is it going to penny or not at the register? Because I saw a lot of girls grab this stuff at their store, and even though it would ring up in the app for 0.00 at the register, it was still 90 cents or a dollar, and that sort of stuff is just absolutely heartbreaking. A friend of mine, the Geeky Banana Saves, it happened to her like twice, and her cart was filled from the bottom to the top. Like, she had really great stuff. And I'm not saying that applesauce isn't, but like, my goodness gracious. But I think it was last Monday or Tuesday, a lot of this stuff went over back to a penny. We have the Big's Zesty Ranch sunflower seeds in dill pickle and Zesty Ranch in the clearance section. That's where I found them. And then the applesauce was found in the regular aisle, just on the shelf. And I was like, what? I'm going to show you guys the UPCs in a second. These four items and an energy drink is what I found. So altogether it was like 50 items, but some of the stuff I didn't even buy. These two are the apple sauces. We have a cinnamon flavor and just the regular apple one. You know, even a substitute for an egg if you're doing some baking. The price of eggs right now, I mean, this is just genius. To stock up on these. And then those sunflower seeds, of course, it's a big hit with Little Miss Keto. We have the dill pickle and then the Zesty Ranch. So definitely scan it, make sure your store's in the right location, and you might come up with a huge cart. I would get the cashier to scan a couple, and then if they're ringing up 80, 90 cents, the app is playing games on you. And I did find a bunch of these energy drinks, but I just surrendered them to the cashier. As many of you know, I'm here in Michigan, and for these sort of drinks, you have to pay a bottle deposit right off the bat. And each of these is 10 cents, and I found even more, so I just surrendered them to the cashier. I don't know. You guys are probably like, you did the wrong thing, but I just, it was early this morning, and the cashier helped me with a couple things because I did have problems. But this is bringing up a penny. Depending where you live, some states don't charge that bottle fee, but here in Michigan, it's like 10 cents per, which is quite a bit. And just to show you the receipt, this is some of the pennies that I found. So I would definitely recommend to look, search penny food in the clearance section, penny food in the regular section. You might score really big. Now, this is where the big error happened this morning. I know that $1.50 digital was attaching to this item. That's a $1.47, making it a freebie. And that digital coupon as of Friday, August the 30th, not attaching. They did this once before. It's a dirty thing that they sometimes throw in. I don't know what it is, but they did it, and I'm not happy because I was so looking forward to getting some free Febreze, but nope. These other summer scents that were supposed to also be clearing out, they're also full price. So a big old sorry, Charlie. So I wouldn't do the Febreze. We always buy Febreze with coupons or pay 25 cents or less, not $1.47. Not happening. And look at this. Nobody at this store cares about this. These are going to be 13 cents today after the cash back. So I am getting all five because this is a great deal. 13 cents. So these are $2.25. 50% of that, it's $1.13. You'll pay the full amount, and we have a cashback offer of up to $1 back. You can do it up to 5 times. You have to have it loaded on your store card, and it makes them 13 cents each. And this is a, for disposal, to just make it freshen it up. And here's what the cashback looks like, and it's up to 5 times. fantastic deal.
Like another plain sight sort of one is this. It's 57 cents at a 50% off store after the dollar cashback, and it's just like right on the shelf, like it's like right there.
So here's the thing, guys. You'll either use the dollar digital and pay 57 cents, or you can do the cashback up to 5 times, where you'll pay the $1.57 times 5 and then get $5 back through the Dollar General app. Now we have the size 1 Paw Patrol Loves Diapers, and it's the 48 count. It has to be this exact one. The other sizes, size 2, 3, 9, whatever, they're not attaching with the $3 digital. And this coupon is expiring. It's got a very quick expiry date, and it's $3 off one of these, and expires today actually. So use it or lose it. And it's attaching to the product, and it came off perfectly. Big thanks to my friend, the Geeky Banana Save. She shared a couple of her accounts with me so I could do the deal this morning. Here is the UPC for these diapers. So it makes it 60 cents. The 50% off price is $3.60. After that digital coupon, it's 60 cents plus tax. And here's the UPC. This has only been in the last 2 clearance events, so you probably will be able to track down a couple of these. What a steal. Another super duper deal is on this Oral-B Pulsar. So it's an electronic toothbrush. I did see these in the clearance event the last couple times, but nobody buys them because they're still a bit of a pretty penny. I have a $2 digital coupon that's attaching to this, making it $1.37. So it's $3.37. Subtracting this $2 coupon, it's $1.37 for an electronic toothbrush. So battery powered, and it's called the Oral-B Vibrating Pulsar Charcoal Toothbrush. So kind of interesting. This guy, now unfortunately couldn't track one down today because I went to only a couple stores this morning, very limited. At a 50% off store, it's $2.37. And we have a $3 digital attaching, so it's giving you like a small amount of overage at a non-updated store. At an updated store, it's just a free item. So those are the breaks of it. And then just to show you, here is the digital coupon. I really recommend that when you are out there this weekend, you have until Monday for this clearance event, scan absolutely everything. And then don't forget, if you want to stock up on the summer food, extra 50% off. A lot of these freeze pops, summer foods, barbecue sauces, that sort of stuff. I know a lot of you probably, stock up big for the year, especially if you live like, Texas, Florida, hotter states. I would definitely stock up on these goodies. Before I take off into the big sunset, I think on Tuesday I made a very decisive video. Forget the Febreze, but everything else is working. I would definitely try and do a couple of these deals, guys, because it is fantastic. I love cheap and free stuff, except for the Febreze, because they got us on that one. That's it for the video. I will link Tuesday's video right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.